Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor 7X, and let me share with you how to check IMEI and serial number on this device. So actually we've got two different ways to check those numbers. The first one is the fastest one. It requires a secret code, which of course I will give you, and the second is using the settings, and of course I'll show you both. So let's begin with the code. We have to open the dialer because this is the place where we will enter it, and let's enter the code, which is *#06#. And as you can see, thanks to this code we can check both IMEI numbers for both SIM slots. So as you can see, we've got only the IMEI numbers, we cannot find the serial number, so that's why I will show you another way to check those numbers, and if for some reason the secret code won't work, it will be also useful. So let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom and tap on About Phone. Now let's scroll down, and as you can see here we've got the serial number, the IMEI numbers for both SIM slots. And if you'd like to check the serial number, we have to enter the status, and as you can see right here we've got the serial number of this device. So actually this is it. This is how to check IMEI and serial number in your Honor 7X. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.